Hi everyone. So we all know that Software Center is a tool we can use to get software for our machines. But unfortunately, Software Center doesn't work when we're not on campus. But we do have a solution, and that solution is Company Portal. You get Company Portal right out of the Windows Store. So I'm going to open the Windows Store here. And you'll see I know I'm signed in because I see Central Bucks School District. If you do not see that, you can click over here on the little person icon and you can add an account by signing in. So here I could scroll through all this and look and look and look, but instead I'm just going to do a search and I'm going to find Company Portal. And once I do, you'll see here it said Get, and now it doesn't because I already have it installed on my machine. So you can hit Get. I, on the other hand, am going to hit Launch because inside here you can see all of the things that I have access to anywhere that I have internet. So if I wanted to try the new Edge, Microsoft Minecraft for Education, right? All of these different things. If I'm having trouble with my OneDrive, here is a OneDrive fix that I can use. So it's very handy and that easy to install and use on your machine. Once you have it, you don't need to go through the store anymore. If I could type, I can just search Company Portal on my machine and run it from there.